mouth. Do you understand what I'm saying? Please don't make a video of me. Because if you make a video, you post it, people knows me inside. I'm a video vixen.
No, it's just better for everybody to know what's happening. It's better for everybody to know what's happening, because when they say both drivers are rude, right? So I want the whole world to know what's going on. Madam, let me have my money. That is all I'm saying. I'm not dragging anything with you. Let me have my money.
You know something is on his duty, and
he's on his duty. I only told him to calm down. My boyfriend is going to make a
you can hear that statement. Calm down till when? How is it my business that your boyfriend is not picking call?
I'm not here to hurt what's going on. Can you listen? I'm not here to hurt what's going on. But this work is per hours.
Yes.
If we delay him here now, he's supposed to have been making some, now. So, and he has not settled with you. How you want to?
I'm here to pick a rider now. My rider is coming out.
Sorry?
Are you listening to my conversation?
Yes, I listen to you. How you want
Did I give you my boyfriend's number?
You can imagine that. Why is it my business that I should be calling your boyfriend? What are you saying now? Wait, let me analyze this our business for you. Let me analyze our business for you. This is how our business works. When I pick a rider pays me and comes down from my car. I'm never bothered if a boyfriend is not picking call, if someone is drunk. If you like, pay 15,000. It's none of my business.
That's what I'm saying.
So how you want to sort him now?
Now I ended your trip 10 o'clock. This is to 11. Just now I waited for 30 minutes, good 30 minutes. I waited for 30 minutes before I took any action. When it got to 10:20, I ended that trip and I told her this is I was even waiting all those times. And me waiting is not counting anything for me.
Yes,
I said, madam, when it's 10:20, I will end your trip. I ended the trip at 10:20 and I told her, madam, this is what your fare is. Okay.
Now this type of video what we all watch finish so that makes some boys now they won't live the life, do or die. Anyhow with the money want to come, they don't care. So far make I feel meet up to my woman demands. This is the reason now why our boys they craze anyhow, they run man anyhow. They put hand for where their hand no reach. This one are the reason still we make so many men not get regard for women again. Because you now say you are this thing, then at the end of the day, you are going to your guard house, you carry taxi, you don't even have 2,000 naira in your handbag, and you call yourself a slave queen. This one are the reason why men won't do anything by thing just because they want to impress woman. They want to impress their babe. They want to carry the highest class babe, and the high class babe is so classless. Because instead of me go for high class babe, when if we carry 2,000, take carry taxi come my house, I better carry that girl where they do vulcanizer for side road there. When I know say yes, when they come my house, I know what they think. It's better. Men, make una wise. So my second video for today, I just want to talk to some people, most especially mothers. When you go know say you get pikin, you go meet somebody, say give me your pikin, because you know say that person dey difficult, he dey into difficulties to train a pikin. Then you go meet and say give me your pikin, make I help you put am for school. Then you go carry the pikin reach where you dey stay, you go turn the pikin to house boy or house girl. I dey wonder the kind heart wey some people dey get, because na the same way wey you take born your own, na that same way that person take born your own. So why you now go carry another person pikin, use am take dey use the pikin anyhow, wey be say your own dey there? If you no dey buoyant enough to take care of another person, you leave the pikin for where e dey. So that the father and the mother, they go dey see and say yes, they no fit take care of the pikin, but the pikin dey with them. Anything wey be say they fit give am a day, e go eat. No be the one where you go carry somebody pikin, carry am come, you will begin to useless the pikin life. Then why the papa and the mama go dey back home, they say, oh thank God, do my pikin dey live well. Because I dey talk this thing so out of experience. I don't see somebody they carry and go nuts, small boy, they carry and go nuts because say the father die. He come meet the mother, say give me your pikin, make I help you take care of her. He carry the pikin reach nuts, they won't use hungry kill the pikin. After some years, he bring the pikin come back, say, na so the pikin dey thief. Na make am bring am come back. When they bring that pikin come back, as God take join bone for human being body, then they see am. You fit count how many bones where the boy gets. So why you go carry somebody pikin, punish am to that extent? And when the pikin come go meet him mother, when the mother don dey feed am, the pikin no thief for one day. E no thief for one day. So children can thief because they are hungry. As this very video now una go watch, is the pikin now go dey eat for dustbin. Then they ask the person where the pikin dey stay with, wetin you give this pikin this money? Say give am malt. Good Samaritan. Malt na food. Malt no be food. Why you not say you give am rice or you give am swallow? If that pikin was well fed, that pikin dey eat well, you no fit go see food for dustbin dey eat. If that pikin can go thief tomorrow, you go say, the pikin dey thief. Why e be say na you no gree give am food? The pikin resolve to go thief, make it for not die from hungry. And parents, before now they release on a pikin, they give somebody. Make una look well. Try to study the heart of this person. If this person go get good heart towards your pikin. Because this thing don't too much. Now so Channel TV first show one that day. Put this pikin for one place for 7 good months. If not be football which they play, we enter the place. When they come say the parents come say, okay, make they go bring the football, then they take see pikin wey person born, they sleep on top of freezer, deep freezer. If you can't see the pikin, he bone, everything, flesh don't come off for body. Why people they heartless like this? Why human being go they wicked to your fellow human being just like this? Huh? Small pikin never know anything. Just 13 years old pikin, you go they eat for dustbin. If you not fit take care of her, leave her for a father. Make it for if na garri see, make they give her there. You go they look her. There's a pikin where they give you for under 1 month. It don't turn the life upside down. So they don't go they eat for dustbin. Before you know, you go go thief. Lagos, they know they use as see thief. They will put tire for a neck. They will burn and say a thief. They don't know say na hungry. Now make the pikin go the thief. So my people, make una watch the video. Drop your comments. Let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, and share this video. And at the end, drop your comments. Let me know how you feel about this video. And see you again in my next video. For now, bye bye.
Came here just now and asked you of this boy, the boy that stays with you. You said the auntie that gave to you just came to carry.
No, that one has gone from my shop. Yes. What happened?
Okay. My love, can I see your hands, please? Show me your hand. Just show me. Don't be afraid.
It's not me that beat. He knows who beat him now.
Don't be afraid. Let me see the second hand.
What happened?
Scars on his head.
Yes, all of the wounds.
Scars on his head.
Madam, how old is this boy?
13 years.
13. How long has he been with you?
1 month.
1 month.
Yeah. They just brought him from you. I can show you his picture when he came.
They just brought him for you 1 month ago.
Just it.
When did he has been going to school?
They just brought him for school.
They just brought him for school. We have a video of him even carrying things on his head. He eats from the dustbin. So, madam, we would not come here if we do not have appropriate information.
Please, I beg you.
My love, don't be scared.
Yes,
please, don't be scared. How long have you been staying here?
The woman that brought him.
This is Onyebuchi.
It's me. I'm
not. You are the person now.
I brought him from North. Not me that brought him from North.
Who is he living with?
This woman.
It's me.
It's you. Okay. So telling us some other woman and everything.
No, is it the person that brought him?
Whoever brought him to you. When you get to Panti, you can call the person. For now, this boy in this state, you're trying to tell me that he just came last month to you. When did you come here, my love?
I came last month.
You came last month?
Because someone, they said I should put him in school. But because we went to buy from. You should narrate the story because I don't understand why people...
What is they should narrate the story? They even made this boy hungry. The person Who gave the
Hold
person?
on, that's my kid. Please.
Remember
Madam,
the person.
Madam, I'm happy that
Stop touching me, ma, please.
Okay, sorry.
Stop touching
Alex.
me. My love.
Alex.
Come with me. Come. Just sit down.
Close the door and call like it.
What do you do in this house?
Good.
What's your job in this house?
I go in this house to come to school.
This woman has been trading since morning, so it's possible she told you to say this. I'm not surprised. But what I'm asking is, where is your mommy and daddy?